Hello friends, I am Dr. Sarika Panwar. Today we will discuss one of the supervised machine learning algorithm, that is K-nearest neighbor algorithm. K-nearest neighbor. It is a supervised machine learning algorithm which can be used for both classification as well as regression predictive problem. But mainly it is used for classification problems in machine learning. It is based on the concept of feature similarity. Feature similarity is used to predict the values of new data points, which further means that the new data point will be assigned a value based on how closely it matches the point in the training set. There are two properties of KNN that defines the K nearest neighbor classifier, that is lazy learning algorithm. This is called as lazy learning algorithm because it does not have a specialized training phase and uses all the data for training while classification. It is also non-parametric learning algorithm because it does not assume anything about the underlying data. As we have seen that it uses the feature similarity to predict the value of new data point. Now in this feature space, consider that this black data point is a new data point which we have to categorize as either in red category or in this blue category. Now what this algorithm will do, it will find the measure of similarity. How it will be calculated? Based on the Euclidean distance or Manhattan distance. The new data point will be assigned a value based on how closely it matches the points in the training set. Now in this case, this is the unknown data point which we have to categorize either in this red category or in this blue category. So initially the distance of this black data point will be calculated with these three data points, but out of these three the two belongs to the red category and only one belongs to the blue category. What we can observe here, that the distance is less, Euclidean distance or Manhattan distance, whatever we consider, the distance is less with these two data points. That way we will categorize it, this new data point, in this red category. We can consider the value, different values of k. So in this case the k is 3. That's why the distance of this new data point with these three nearest data point is calculated. So two of them lies in red class, hence the black dot will be assigned in red class. In this example also we can observe that based on the two parameters, that is length of ears and sharpness of the claws, we have to categorize this particular black image either in cat category or in dogs category. Now here what we can observe, that 5 data points are considered to find the distance with this black data point. So the distance of this black image will be calculated with all these 5 data points because these are the nearest data points. And why we are considering 5? Because k already we have decided, and that is k is equal to 5. That's why the distance of this black image is calculated with all these 5 data points. And now in this case what we can observe, that distance is less, and that is for these cat images, and there are 4 cat images with which the distance is less. That's why this black image will be considered as a cat image category. How the distance is calculated? We can calculate either Euclidean distance or Manhattan distance. Consider that these x1 and x2, these are the two data points in two-dimensional space. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of this whole equation will give us the Euclidean distance. Similarly, Manhattan distance can also be calculated as x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 mod. So by using this two distance method, we can implement the k nearest neighbor algorithm. Now, as we have seen earlier that k nearest neighbor can be used in classification as well as in regression problem. So if we see the classification example, here there are two classes, that is yellow dot and green dot, and this white dot is unknown value new data point which we have to classify either in yellow category or in red category. Now here the value of k is equal to 5. That's why we will find the consider the 5 data points nearest to this. Now in out of these 5 data points, there are 3 data points which are uh, closer to this white data point, and all these 3 belongs to the yellow category. That's why this white dot will be categorized in the yellow category and 2 points belong to the green category. So we will assign the class of this yellow dot to this new white dot. K nearest neighbor can also be used for the regression problem. Here we know that in regression there are continuous value, there is no discrete output class, continuous output values are there. So if k is equal to 5, then new data point value, this white data point, that is the new data point value, will be nothing but the mean value of all these nearest neighbors. This is how we can find the continuous value of this new data point based on this 5 nearest neighbor, that is by calculating the mean of these all 5 nearest neighbors. How to choose a value of k? That is one of the major challenge in k nearest neighbor. We can find the square root of n, where n is the total number of data points. We need to choose odd values of k to avoid the confusion of the data, and higher values of k has less chance of an error. So now we can summarize k nearest neighbor classifier. K nearest neighbor classifies the data points based on how its neighbors are classified. The data must be free of outliers, that is the obvious thing, because outlier will tend to confuse the data point and it will make the calculations wrong. Then KNN algorithm can be used for regression problem, but it is mostly used for the classification problems. We need to choose odd value of k always. Thank you, students.